Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we're going to show you how to change strap of this watch. Let's get started. There's two screws, actually one screw, two screws that goes each other, the screw each other. It's one is male with the other one is female, screwed like this. Then let's start it. There's one here, this one, the other one the other side. See, it turns. You gotta hold the other side with the other screwdriver, flathead, little tiny flathead screwdriver, and then unscrew it. If you push it, and then if you push it, the other one goes out, and then make it equal. Then this way you can pull both out. You can also use take one off, easy way, and then use a pin to remove the other one. Like this, and then pull the strap off. That's it. That's how you remove Alfajr watch belt. Very easy. And then do the same to replace it like this. See these screws? Screw each other. Okay. That's it. Screw back together, and that's it. Very easy. So I'm not doing it because I'm going to clean, already remove it to show you guys. I'm gonna clean everywhere and then put it back later on. I hope this helps. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.